How long has it been since you woke up and your eyes actually felt fresh and clear? Do you find yourself squinting just to read small print, or feeling that annoying blurriness when you look at the clock in the morning? If you're nodding right now, you're definitely not alone. Millions of Americans over 60 are facing the same vision problems, and most of them think, well, that's just aging. But what if I told you that's not the whole truth? Here's the incredible part. Every single night while you're in deep sleep, your eyes are actually working hard behind the scenes, repairing, refreshing, and restoring themselves after a long day of light exposure, screen time, and pollution. The biggest problem? If your eyes don't have the essential building materials, the key vitamins for vision, that natural repair process slows down or even stops. Your body wants to heal itself, but without the right tools, it simply can't finish the job. So, what are the 3 essential vitamins you can start giving your eyes tonight to help them rebuild naturally while you sleep, so you can wake up with clear vision, confidence, and comfort again? The answer might surprise you, but before we dive into these powerful nutrients, I'd really love to hear from you. How old are you? And what kind of vision issues are you dealing with? Is it dry eyes, blurry vision, or trouble seeing at night? Share your story down below, because we're in this together, and your experience might just help someone else find hope too. Alright, let's meet the first member of your eye's nighttime repair team, vitamin A. Think of vitamin A as a little toolbox your eyes can't live without. It plays a critical role in keeping your retina healthy and improving your night vision. In fact, scientists at the National Eye Institute confirm that vitamin A is essential for maintaining retinal health and night vision. Here's why it matters so much. Vitamin A helps your eyes produce a special protein called rhodopsin. That's the very thing that allows you to see clearly in the dark. But here's what most people don't realize. As we age, our bodies naturally absorb less vitamin A. Our digestion slows down, or maybe our meals just don't include enough fresh vegetables anymore. That's why even if you feel like you're eating well enough, your eyes might still feel dry, tired, or irritated the next morning. According to research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness and dry eyes. That means even a short-term lack of vitamin A can start to limit your ability to see in dim light, making night driving or reading before bed more difficult and exhausting. So what's the fix? Honestly, it's simple. Getting enough vitamin A in the evening is like giving your eyes repair crew the spare parts they need to get the job done while you sleep. You don't need pricey supplements or fancy pills. Sometimes, just adding a little egg, carrot, sweet potato, or pumpkin to your dinner can make all the difference. Take Susan, for example. She's 68 and lives in Texas. She used to wake up every morning with dry eyes and had to use drops all day long. But after her doctor recommended adding a small portion of vitamin A-rich foods to her evening meal, she said, "It felt like my eyes finally got to rest." Within just a few weeks, she noticed her eyes felt less irritated and her vision clearer when reading her morning paper. So if you've been squinting to read the clock or feeling uneasy about night driving, your eyes might be trying to tell you something. And sometimes what they need isn't a miracle, just a little vitamin A right before bed. If this message helped you, tap that like button so YouTube can share it with more seniors who are struggling with the same vision issues. And if vitamin A is the toolbox that gives your eyes the raw materials to rebuild, then vitamin C is your eyes' night shift cleanup and repair crew. Think about it. Every single day, your eyes are exposed to thousands of tiny troublemakers. These are free radicals, invisible enemies that come from harsh sunlight, pollution, cigarette smoke, and yes, the blue light from your phone and computer screens. They attack your eye cells like little vandals, weakening your cornea, causing dryness, blurriness, and over time, even contributing to cataracts. The good news? Vitamin C is one of your eye's greatest protectors, a true antioxidant superhero. According to the National Eye Institute, vitamin C is one of the strongest antioxidants your eyes can receive. It helps your body fight off oxidative damage, supports tissue repair, and boosts collagen production, the protein that keeps your cornea flexible, clear, and resilient. In other words, vitamin C works like a quiet team of technicians, cleaning up damage and restoring your eye tissues while you sleep. Here's a powerful fact. Research from the American Optometric Association found that long-term vitamin C intake is linked to about a 33% reduction in the risk of developing cataracts. For older adults, that's not just a statistic, it's a real chance to keep clear vision longer and avoid the fear of everything slowly fading away. Now, think about this. Have you ever woken up with your eyes burning, stinging, or irritated? That might be your body saying, "Hey, the cleanup crew didn't have enough supplies last night." Adding a little vitamin C in the evening, maybe from an orange, kiwi, red bell pepper, or even a small supplement, can help deliver the right materials at the exact moment your eyes start their nighttime repair. Take Bill, for example. He's 72 and used to wake up every morning with that stinging, burning sensation in his eyes. He was using drops several times a day. But after his doctor suggested increasing his vitamin C intake at night, just a few weeks later he said, "I didn't realize how tired my eyes were until they stopped burning." Now he reads comfortably at night and wakes up with eyes that feel calm, hydrated, and refreshed. The best part, you don't need expensive medicine or surgery. Sometimes it's as simple as a glass of orange juice or a small vitamin C tablet before bed. Because while you sleep, vitamin C is already hard at work, quietly but powerfully, helping your eyes heal so you can wake up and see the world a little clearer tomorrow morning. And finally, in your eye's nighttime recovery trio, we have vitamin E, the one many people forget, but it's absolutely essential. If vitamin C is your cleanup crew, then vitamin E is the shield that protects your retina from damage. According to the National Eye Institute, vitamin E helps protect the cells in your eyes from unstable molecules called free radicals, which can destroy healthy eye tissue. When that shield weakens, your retinal cells become more vulnerable, leading to blurry vision, trouble seeing colors, and an increased risk of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. And here's the hard truth. AMD is the leading cause of severe vision loss among Americans over 60. But there's good news too. A report from the National Institutes of Health, or NIH, found that a combination of antioxidants, including vitamin E, can slow the progression of AMD by about 25%. That means getting enough vitamin E may not reverse aging, but it can significantly slow down vision loss, and that's life-changing for anyone who wants to keep their independence, clarity, and confidence as they age. You might be wondering, so how do I get enough vitamin E? It's actually easier than you think. A handful of almonds, some sunflower seeds, a few slices of avocado, or even a small supplement at night can help nourish and protect your eyes while you sleep. Harvard Health Publishing also notes that adequate vitamin E intake may help protect against cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Sometimes, one small change in your evening routine can make a big difference by morning. Take Margaret, age 74, from California. She was worried when her doctor said her eye health showed early signs of decline. Instead of rushing into surgery, she started adding vitamin E to her nightly routine, a handful of almonds and a drizzle of olive oil. 6 months later, during her checkup, her doctor told her, "Your vision has remained remarkably stable." She smiled and said, "It's such a relief knowing I'm doing something to protect my eyes, not just waiting for things to get worse." So if you've been feeling like your vision changes a little each year, remember this. Your body is still fighting for you. It just needs a little help. A small dose of vitamin E at night can do more than help you see clearly. It can help you hold on to what matters most, your freedom, confidence, and the joy of seeing the world through your own eyes. So, we've now uncovered the incredible power of the 3 supervitamins for your eyes, A, C, and E. Here's the most amazing thing to remember. Your body's ability to heal itself doesn't disappear after 60. It just needs to be awakened with the right nutrients at the right time. And that time is nighttime, while you sleep. As Harvard Health Publishing explains, during sleep, the body repairs cells and tissues, including those in the eyes. That means, even while you're resting, your body is still working full time. It just needs the proper materials to do its job. These 3 vitamins aren't magic pills or marketing tricks. They're simply your eye's night shift team, waiting for the chance to get to work. The National Eye Institute also confirms that the combination of these antioxidants can slow the progression of age-related eye diseases and support overall eye health. That's not just hopeful talk, that's real medical evidence backed by decades of solid research. And if you've ever thought it's too late to make a change, think again. Your body still responds, still fights for you. It just needs a little help. You don't need expensive medicine or complicated surgery. Sometimes all it takes is a simple dinner with vegetables, nuts, and fruits rich in these vitamins. Those small, steady choices can make a big difference, sometimes in just a few weeks. I know many people who felt discouraged as their vision problems slowly got worse, struggling to read the newspaper, drive at night, or recognize familiar faces. But you can absolutely regain some of that confidence and joy. Think of these 3 vitamins as your way to take back control of your eye health, naturally and gently. The National Institutes of Health concluded that antioxidants play a vital role in protecting and repairing eye tissue. That means your eyes still have the power to heal if you give them the chance. And that chance starts tonight with one small habit. Nourish your eyes before you sleep. Because every morning you deserve to wake up and see the world clearly, warmly, and in full color, in every sense of the word. So think of these 3 vitamins as your very own night shift team, the quiet workers who stay on the job while you sleep, so that when you wake up, your eyes feel refreshed, stronger, and clearer than ever. As Harvard Health Publishing puts it, your eyes age more slowly when your nights are restorative and nutrient-rich. That means when you get enough rest and feed your body the right nutrients, you're literally helping your eyes grow younger day by day. Do you remember how your parents or grandparents used to say, "Eat your carrots so you can see in the dark"? Turns out they were right. The National Eye Institute confirms that beta-carotene in carrots is a precursor to vitamin A, essential for good vision, especially in low-light conditions. That old advice still stands, but now you can take it further. By combining vitamins A, C, and E, you're helping your eyes naturally rebuild and recharge every single night while you sleep. Now, take a moment and imagine this. If tomorrow morning you opened your eyes and everything looked sharper, no more stinging, no more squinting to read the newspaper or see the clock, how would that feel? For many people, that's not just about eyesight. It's about freedom, independence, and the joy of truly living. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention states, vision loss can limit independence and quality of life for older adults. In other words, caring for your eyes today is really about protecting your freedom for tomorrow. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Did your family ever tell you to eat carrots when you were young? Or maybe you have your own little secret for keeping your eyes feeling fresh in the morning. Share your story in the comments below. Your experience could inspire someone else. If this message brought you hope or clarity, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips, and share it with someone you care about. Because one small change each night, one mindful habit, can help your eyes heal, brighten, and stay strong for many more years to come. Because taking care of your eyes isn't just about preserving your sight, it's about preserving your freedom, your joy, and your ability to truly see life in full color.